Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Canva designs to Google Drive using Share Links easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Canva design that you wish to backup. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of the Canva interface. In the Share menu, look for the option that says Get Link. Set the link sharing options to anyone with the link to ensure accessibility. Copy the generated link by clicking the Copy Link button. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to Google Drive. In Google Drive, select the folder where you want to save your Canva designs. Right-click in the folder and choose New Document to create a new Google Doc. Paste the Canva link into the new Google Doc. You can add any notes or descriptions about the design if you'd like. Once finished, click on File in the upper left corner of the Google Doc. Select Rename to give your document a meaningful name related to your Canva design. After renaming, click outside the title field to save the changes. Now, your Canva design link is stored safely in Google Drive. You can always access it later by navigating to the Google Doc you just created. This method ensures you have a backup of your designs for easy retrieval. You can repeat these steps for any other Canva designs you need to backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.